This is the trick gift box or hidden gift box. Made to be printed with no supports, relatively easy to print. It'll fit money, gift cards. I've got a USB cable in it right now just as an example of what you can put in it. Anyway, you go to open it, nothing there. Kind of a funny thing, but you've got a little hidden slider in the back. When you slide it, there's your gift. So the idea is kind of a joke when you give it to them, can be used as a magic trick afterwards. There will be instructions with the print files, and afterwards they can use it as a trick. They can re-gift it, or they can keep it as a novelty.